Also present at the memorial service were former President Nangolo Mbumba, Swapo Party Secretary General Sophia and Shaningwa, and former cabinet ministers. Swapo Party Coordinator for Erongo informed the mourners of Savva's last wish, which he said must be respected.
He desperately wanted Swapo Party to win Walvis Bay. We are now duty-bound as Swapo members and sympathizers and supporters to make sure that we have regained Walvis Bay and take control over Walvis Bay as Swapo Party.
Swapo Party members such as Derek Klazen said Savva had been a pillar for the party.
John Savva. Mr. Savva has been a great pillar and supporter of the Swapo Party, both financially and morally. His helping hands were not only to Walvis Bay District, but has also reached us as Swapo Party District of Etai in the Omusati Region.
Another member, Pohamba Shifeta, also reflected on his relationship with Savva, saying he found it difficult to enter the Atlantic Hotel in his absence.
It took me more than 20 minutes just to disembark and enter the hotel. I sat quietly in the car, thinking for the first time, I entered Atlantic Hotel. We've gone to Savva no more with us. His welcoming gesture reminds me of changes in life can be so sudden.
The Swapo Party Youth League, the Women and Leaders Council, also paid tribute to Savva and commended his unwavering support to the party.